What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick update for you guys regarding what's going on in the industry, as well as I'm going to be responding to a comment that one of my viewers left under my videos. And basically the viewer said that they just purchased a challenge from the Forex Funder. It's been about a week. They haven't been able to trade. They're getting notifications saying that their system is down due to maintenance. And this is true. In case you guys have not heard, a lot of prop firms right now are scrambling and migrating their clients over to other platforms because MetaQuotes, which is the provider of MetaTrader 4 and 5, is pulling their license for a lot of these platform providers. Now, a lot of these platforms are using companies like 8cap, Think Markets, Purple Trading, so on and so forth, and their licenses are being pulled because of all the regulations and things that's going on right now. And so as a result, everybody's moving over to a different platform. Now, if you're with most of these popular prop firms, they're moving everybody over to DXTrade. Now, in my humble opinion, DXTrade has been nothing short of awful. It's been really, really bad. It's very finicky. It logs you in, but then logs you out, locks, freezes, trades, all sorts of things. And I think, to be fair, it's because they weren't ready for or prepared for the influx of new traders and clients that were coming to their platform. With that being said, that's currently what's happening right now. So the Forex Funder is affected as well, but they're moving their clients over to a provider called Blueberry Markets. I looked into Blueberry Markets, and Blueberry Markets is still one of those providers that offers MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 as a platform to trade on. So that's good news. So if you're with the Forex Funder and they're migrating, just be patient with them because at least you're going to a platform you're still familiar with. Now, they did say they want to start migrating from Friday and Saturday, which is March 1st and March 2nd. I would say give them about 3 days to a week, considering what happened with the funded trader, which I'm currently funded with. It took them a long time. They had a bunch of issues because all this is happening at once. All right, so just take my information with a grain of salt because I'm not an expert, but that's what I think is going to happen. Now, I am also funded with another prop firm called Definitive Funding. They seem to have their own in-house provider. So if you're looking for an alternative, you could look there. And full transparency, they're actually, of the 3 prop firms I mentioned, they're the ones that I'm actually affiliated with. So there will be a link in the description below. It'll give you an additional 5% profit split and 5% off the challenge. But obviously you don't have to go with them. And even when you do, please do your research. Reach out to them and ask them if anything like this is going down soon so that you don't buy challenge and get locked in. I haven't been able to take trades on any other platforms except theirs. This morning I took a trade with them and I was perfectly fine. So that's basically it right now. As I said earlier, a lot of prop firms are having to pivot because of these recent changes. And as a result, most people are going to DXTrade. Now, if you are with the funded trader, they did email me saying that if I wanted to move also to Blueberry Markets, I did have that option. I just had to send them a request. And once they acknowledge it, they would try and get it done by the end of the week, something along those lines. So it seems like there might be a little bit of hope in the industry because Blueberry Markets seems to be like that last man standing. And hopefully my desire, my prayer is that all these other platforms that are with DXTrade right now would go to Blueberry Markets. Because DXTrade, I'm telling you guys right now, if you haven't tried it, maybe they'll fix it in the future. But as of right now, they're not ready. All right, so that's it for this video. I don't want it to be too long. Just a quick update for you guys. Again, take my word with a grain of salt. I'm not an expert, just somebody sharing the information that they know. If you enjoyed this video, if you have any comments or questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments section below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.